Hey, what's up my friends? Welcome back to Sprinkler Supply Store. Today we're going to talk about check valves for the PGP-ADJ sprinkler, the PGP Ultra, and the I-20. The check valve is an optional accessory for the sprinkler, so if you are having low head drainage, meaning your sprinklers seem to be seeping or weeping after the zone is turned off, that's because the sprinklers that are on the bottom of a slope, the water in your lateral line will drain down and it will ooze out of the sprinkler. And to prevent that, you need a check valve. So in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to install this check valve. It's a pretty common question that we get. How do you put the check valve in? And it's rather simple, but let's go ahead and take a look. So I have a standard PGP-ADJ sprinkler. We're gonna take it out of the canister. Just give it a nice pop. And then I had already removed it, but in the bottom, you'll see a filter basket like this right there. Okay. And what you're going to do is just going to remove that existing filter basket that does not have the check valve on it. And you're going to replace it with the filter basket that does have the check valve. And the check valve is that rubber disc on the top. That is known as the check valve. Let's compare the two. Okay, so the one, this one here with the rubber seal, that's the check valve option. The one without the rubber seal, that is the filter basket that comes standard. And the way the filter baskets are installed, if you look in the bottom of the sprinkler, there's a little white, we'll just call it a gizmo. There's a white gizmo on the bottom. So what you want to do is put the filter basket, I guess you'd call that female side in, so that you can insert it all the way into the sprinkler like that. If you put it the other way, it'll stick out of the bottom and that will cause your sprinkler not to rest here at the top. After you put the check valve filter basket in, you can screw it back into the canister and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us. You can contact us by phone, email, chat, and text message. So until the next Sprinkler Supply Store product overview, happy sprinkling, my friends. We'll talk to you then.